Alright, welcome to another lesson. In this lesson, we want to learn how to beat sync in Canva. So what we are talking about is how to sync images and videos to a beat. Okay, this is what we are talking about. Come and click here. So I'll leave this here. So I just want to show you. So let's play this to see. So we are talking about how to cut beats or cut images according to the beat. Okay, so whenever there is a hit, or like when the beat gets to a place where it hits hard, okay, hits hard, or there is a, I don't know how to put it, like sometimes there's a bass where it hits hard, then that place you make a cut over there. So we do this cut according to the beat. Okay, so let's try over here. Come to your home and create new, and let's create a video landscape here. Now we are going to bring in some images. So come to elements, and then let's come to photos. We want certain something images like maybe wedding. So let's just search for wedding. So you can use the old or new video editor. So this is the new video editor at the moment. This is the old video editor. Okay, so let's go and use the new video editor to see. So let's switch. So let's create a new, and then video landscape. So come into elements and then search for wedding, and click on photos. So just say, let's say wedding couples. Okay, wedding couples. So you just click on it like this. Okay, just be clicking on it. Any image that you see, just click on it once and let it fall. So it will just come over here for up to 5 seconds. Okay, so just click the ones that you think, you search for the orientation. Okay, come and click on the orientation and then choose horizontal to fit your design. So you just click on any of them. Now you can also come and add videos to it. Okay, also come and add videos to it. So you can close this and then come and click on video and say wedding couples. Then you can come and add. So just choose the ones that are very short. Okay, because we are just trying to edit something here. Then you can trim it this way. Okay, you can move it. You can move it to any place that you want. Okay, so let's add more images. So come to photos, wedding couples. Okay, so I think this is okay for me. Now what I'm going to do is, let me just bring this here like this. Now you can see we have add audio over here. Let's bring the timeline, let's bring the playhead to this place and then add audio to it. So for the audio, let's come and search for what we call wedding, and then let's play one to see the one that fits our edit. So most of these are just instrumentals. Okay, yeah. So let me be fast and just see the audio I used for this one. Let me try and see if I can find the audio. It says write you a love song. Okay. Let me see. Yeah, so there's it. Alright, so this let's just click on it once to come over here for us. Alright, so it will just stream itself to the clip. Okay, so you can see we have this up to every clip over here is up to 5 seconds. Okay, so what we are going to do is that with the beat selected, okay, so with the beat selected this way, just come and click on beat sync, and then you say sync now, and also you want it to display beat markers, okay, so that we can trim our clip to certain of the beat markers, okay, to our, so we can do it ourselves also. So that's why you want to display the beat markers. So click on it here, and now click on the sync now. So you wait for it to do its thing automatically. So it's very fast. It has been synced to the beat for us. So I want to get, right, so let's play it to see. Yeah, so you can see we have the beat marks over here. You can see we have the beat marks over here. They are here, but we want to trim our clip to, when we just do it according to this, is too long, the video becomes too long, or for the cut to happen becomes too long. So you just have to trim it to where you see the beat marks. Example, when you look at this over here, there are beat marks over here. So yeah, there are beat mark here and also here. Okay, we have some here, we have some here, we have some here. So let's do it according to the beat marks that we have here. So we have to come and select this clip. Then okay, you can see when it reaches a beat mark, it will just, so there's some here and there's one here, it will just stop. Okay, to stop, for you to know that there's a beat mark over there. So let's also trim this to a beat mark here. So either here or there. So let's try this. So when it reaches a beat mark, it will just stop. You can do it according to your liking. Okay, I hope you get what I'm trying to do. Alright, so you've done it according to our liking. Now let's play it to see. Alright, so you can see, so you just have to take your time. Maybe you increase the what you call, you zoom in so that you can see it very clearly. Okay, then you do it, so just zoom in so that you can see it clearly, so that it syncs to the beat for you. Right, so let's see. Right, so I think this is sings better. So this is it. Let's play it one more time and Alright, so this is beat sync in Canva. I hope you enjoy this lesson. Thank you for joining this lesson.